everyone. I am at number 4 unit. It's a studio apartment at 130 Buford Avenue in Daytona Beach, Florida. This is a first floor unit. So this is all renovated. We have modern apartment size stainless steel appliances. Nice little counter with an oversized sink. Got a little window over there and some storage. Across the way from the kitchen, you've got your bathroom. All new fixtures. Then you've got a walk-in tiled shower. Out in the main room, you've got this nice big area. You've got a big butcher block breakfast bar. So plenty of room for a couple of nice stools there. This is all done in a pale gray. You've got your closet here. And we've got a thunderstorm. That's always fun when you're doing a video. One of those wonderful tropical afternoon Florida storms. And then you've got a little back door here. So if you do have company come, there is some parking on the side here. So if you needed an additional parking space, there is some off-street parking that the owner says is no problem. It's not marked as a tow-away area because everyone gets one space. So you've got this little additional area to work with over here. That kind of concludes our tour. Again, this is unit. This is the studio unit, first floor. If you have any questions, call Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, 386-243-2000.